YSU students can view their book list for the upcoming semester through their Pengun portal. First, in your web browser, search ysu.edu. Next, click the portal button located on the top right corner of the website. If you are not logged in to your YSU email, you will be prompted to do so before accessing your student portal. Next, you want to click the student profile card. When you get to your student profile, you want to make sure that the right term is selected in the top right corner or the top left corner above your profile picture. Next, you want to scroll and click on the YSU bookstore button list on the bottom left corner. On this page, you will see how many items you have for the courses you will be taking. When you scroll down, you can see all the books that you will need. And to purchase them through the list, you can click Add to Cart and submit your final order. And as for some tips and tricks before you buy your books, it is good to attend your classes first to confirm whether or not you need the books and if they are in the syllabus. And then you want to compare different buying options instead of sticking one to avoid spending more than you have to. And then you want to make sure you have all materials before the end of the first week, as professors start to use the materials early in the semester. If you have any questions or need help, you can contact the Student Services Center located in Williamson Hall, room 1115, phone number 330-941-3376. And you can also reach us at ysu.edu/wcba/advising.